friends. So today we are going to analyze JSW Steel and Vedanta Limited. So let's quickly analyze first the Nifty Metal Index. So yesterday the markets were down, but the Nifty Metal was not that much of down. But if you see over here, so on yes 10th of November, so it gave a bearish candle with a volume expansion, and this Nifty Metal is in a downtrend and retracing as some sort of this. And if you look at this, it now still holding onto this level of a 1 November candle, so which is at the level of a 5600. So now the Nifty Metal is at its crucial support. You can also check this. Yes, there was a gap down on from 17th September, which will act as a resistance, which will act as a support right now for this Nifty Metal. And if it breaks this level of 5600, then it might retraces back and it might touch its trend line. So now it's on its support, so there are chances that it will give a breakdown or sustain above that level. So I have analyzed two stocks from Nifty Metal, JSW Steel and Vedanta. So one is bullish and one is showing some bearish momentum. So let me analyze quickly JSW Steel first. So let me clear all these drawings. Yeah, so JSW Steel has rallied about 80% from this level, 378, 350, and again you can see over here. So it's a high of this stock, then again it came down, again high, and then again after that a lower low and a lower high. So this is a kind of structure of a lower low and lower high, and you can also see this volumes are declining, so it might be a distribution zone. So let me analyze quickly on a daily time frame. So if you see this candle of 10th of November, so which is a good volume expansion, as it has shown some kind of a tail over here, and then after that this is a range candle. So let me quickly analyze on the 5-minute time frame. Yeah. So what happened on the 10th of November? So there was a heavy sell off. You can see the volumes. So how this red candles, red volumes. So there was a heavy sell off, and after that, so with a very much lower volumes, the stock price again came up. You see this volumes, so very lower volumes, and during the start of the day, about 1 hour session, there was a heavy sell off. Then after, with the lower volumes, it again came up. So what does happen on 11th of November? It made a high of a 669, and then again some good volume spiking from bears, and then again the lower volumes. And let me draw one horizontal line on the levels of 668. So whenever the stock was going to the level of a 668, there was a constant rejection. Whenever it touched, then again it came down. So there was a huge sell-off. So someone was selling their positions and at the level of a 668. Then again you can see these candles with the heavy volumes. It came in the price almost gone down by 1% in a single candle. Then again after that it came up, and again seen many kind of many rejection candles at the levels of 668, which is a sign of a heavy sell-off. Again at the end of the day there was a bullish volumes, but the bulls were not able to push the price up and breach the level of 668. So in this case I would like to take some intraday trades or swing trade. So I will wait for a swing trade. If nifty metal breach the crucial support, then I will wait for confirmation. But today, so I will be looking for a short-term intraday trade in the JSW Steel, and let's analyze Vedanta. Yes. So now Vedanta is up from its trend line. So there was a good sell-off with the lower volumes, and again this uh, Vedanta is up from its trend line, and now it is range bound between the levels of 325 and 330, and it has given a narrow range candles, 3 to 4 narrow range candles over here, and now uh, it's a pattern, like it's a volatility contraction, as this is arranging in between this candle only, and also showing some good volume strengths, and it has never given a close below its lower, so it's closing higher, higher and higher. So 3 consecutive candles closed higher. So if it gives a breakout of this level, then we can see a good volume range expansion candle, say about 3 to 4% in upcoming 2 to 3 sessions. So I will be looking for intraday trade on a bullish side in the stock. So yesterday also you can see yes, during the opening of the market, so there was a bullish momentum we have seen. Then after, with the very lower volumes, you can see the stock price came down, and again the bulls managed to close higher. So there was some heavy volumes from bulls. So I am looking for intraday trade in Vedanta and JSW Steel. So if the nifty metal shows some downside momentum, then I will choose to trade in JSW Steel, and if it vaults over there near its support, then I will look for trade in Vedanta. So that's all for today. Thank you.